So today is going to be my first unboxing video, and I have done open the box to make sure everything was in here, and it is, and I put my other horses in here, but you'll see why I'm saying that. So let's go ahead and get it in the right spot. Okay, first I'm going to show you all my other horses. I have this one. His name's Prince. You can see it right there. Have her. This is Nancy. She's a wild Mustang. She's a schleich toy. She's a safari. I'll go right there. And then I have Spirit. He is a schleich toy. He's my favorite. There's Princess. She's a pony. Then I have Shadow. Then I have two foals. I have Chase, which is her kid. And then I have Cinnamon, which is Nancy's kid. So I'm going to scoot these over to the side. We can do this unboxing. First, I think I'm going to do fence. I got schleich fence for my horses, so hopefully this is gonna work. And I have completely forgotten that there's tape on here. I'm just gonna rip the box. Oh, the tape actually just ripped in half. That's awesome. Is there any more? No. So I should know how to put this together. It looks easy. Probably goes in the bottom. That somehow sits. What does the gate look like? Oh wow! I didn't know there's this many pieces of fence with it. Lucky me. What's this little object? Hold up! I dropped the fence piece. Ouch! Okay, move that out of the way, and this needs to be new. I have no clue what that's for. I'm just gonna grab, oh, it's the lock for the gate. So, I see these just pop on here. So I did that backwards. That one goes to here. This way, is that the right way? Nope. Flip it over, pop it on. Put the gate on. The gate fits. Then there's the gate lock. Looks like it fits perfectly right here. Well, if I could put it on the right way. Yes. Alright, there's that. So, go ahead and put this way. I'll go like that. And then I'll build the fence in a moment. I'm going to go ahead and do the sticker. Oh, there's two of these. I didn't know that. I'll put this little sticker on there. Let's just put it perfectly. Oh, I actually just did that. That's the best I could ever put a sticker on something. Wow. Now I'm going to do the other one, which goes on the other side. Let's see how good I can get this one. Well, I got a little over, but I still think it looks pretty good. And then there's some clovers. I'm just going to stick these down the fence like that. That one up there. Then this heart is going to go right here in the middle. And another heart in the middle. And I got 4 horseshoes. One goes on the bottom of that side. This one goes on the bottom. Oh, I didn't even get it. I thought I had it. The bottom of that side. So that's what it's going to look like on both sides. Now I just got to do this side. First is the clovers. I'm going to put the heart right here. Is that in the same spot? Oh, yes, it is. And then the horseshoes on the bottom. Maybe I should have put the horseshoes on the top and the clovers on the bottom, since clovers grow from the ground. I don't know. You know what I'll do with this schleich? I'm going to make it visible. I'm going to unlock the gate, open it, and stick this right on the bottom. Well, it's crooked, but it's still schleich. Do that, and lock the gate back. Then we can trash this, put that back in the box. I don't need that. I already have about 50 of those. Oh, yeah. Cat's made it in here. Nope, she's gone. Okay. Now I'm going to put the fence together. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to have to move some stuff so I can fit it right here. Here. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Lord, how many pieces come with this? Let's see. 8 pieces. How many does it show on here? Did I miscount? Y'all see right here, it only shows 6 pieces in the box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe there is 7, 8. I'm just seeing it wrong, since that thing might be blocking. So there's 8 pieces. I thought there was 12. I don't know. Maybe I should have actually read it instead of just counting. Hey, little whitey. Kitten's back again. Oh man, this thing's gonna be huge. Oh, wrong way. My mistake. Thing's blocking it. There we go. Pop it. And pop. And attach it. That's smaller than I thought it'd be, but it's big enough for all my horses. I'll sit it right here. Oh yes, that's so perfect. I got all the horses in here now. Just gonna sit them all up. So cute. Alright, next up, I'm going to unbox a lead and a thing for a saddle that goes under the saddle. I'm going to just rip that open there. Here we go. I just pulled that out. So that just goes right there. Which horse should I put it on? I'll put it on him. It might be for a boy, but for a girl, but I'm gonna put it on a boy. How does this go? Clips and then pop. Goes over him. That's pretty big on him. Wow. And then there's the lead. If I had a human right now, I would use the lead, but I don't have it with me right now. I got a riding cap. See, this is gonna go in the trash. These two. The lead. Let's go ahead and put the lead on him. It's green, so that goes perfectly with him. Tightens up. You can walk him around. Perfect. Oh, maybe I can walk him. There we go. Just put him right back here. I'm going to tie this around it. Tie. It'll sit right there, and the cap will go right there. The last thing I've been wanting the most. That box just fell off the table. But bronc riding. And the man riding this crazy horse, and I named him Storm. I think that's just a good name for a little horse like this. Go ahead and move that stupid piece of cardboard. Why did I even put that there? Oh my goodness. Is he gonna, there we go. I'm about to say, is it even gonna come off? Throw my garbage down there. Pow. And I gotta figure out how to get him off. Oh, his arm moves. I was reading comments and it said that it didn't move, but it does. So, if anybody's wanting this, yes, the arm does move. Now I've got to get this off, which I'm gonna need scissors for. Let me grab the scissors. Sit back down. I'm gonna clip these. Pop. Pop. And then pop. And pop. Oh, I did it a little too late. Now it's still strapped in. I just gonna unclip the other side because I didn't really think about that. Clip. And then there. Try not to ruin his hooves. Hooves, however y'all call them. Clip. Oh, it fell sideways. And then the last one, can I reach it? Oh my. Look here and then clip. There we go. Now I got him out. Oh wait, I missed one. There we go. That's garbage. Lay the scissors right here. That's what that looks like. It's gonna be a pretty cool horse. Now I gotta get all this off. Oh my god. They packaged this way too good. Why do they strap it on? Around. Look at that. It's through the thing. Oh, if I could, there we go. Now I got to do the other side. I'm just gonna pull the cowboy off. Let go of that lasso. There we go. Yeah, I think that's a lasso. Whichever it is. There he goes. There's the cowboy. Yeehaw! And his belt. Shiny. Looks like he's ready for some action. That derpy face. Derp. Put that arm down. You ain't ready for no action. Now he's dancing. Does he stand? Nope. Set him up right there. Now with this wild thing. Oh, the thing detached. There we go. It's cute. I love him. Storm is the perfect name for him. He's wild and free. He's going to be one of the tame horses. How do you get this off? I'm not too familiar with this stuff. I've never had... Oh, it's just stretchy. Ah, that just comes right off. There we go. And then the saddle. You know what? I need to get this off his feet. I didn't even think about that. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to shortcut it. Wow. Now I'm just going to twist. Twist. That's garbage. That's garbage. Off one little foot. Now we got to get the rest. Go ahead and clip it. Awesome pair of scissors I got. That I just stabbed myself with. Nice! This one ain't loose like the other one was. I don't think I can get this one. Somehow slide it up under here. And pop. Yes, okay. I got that. Now I'm going to pull it off. That one and that one. There we go. There's Storm. Untwist this. I'm not even going to clip it. I'm just going to pull it off. This one. I'm going to push that through. Grab it. Untwist it. Ka-chow. There we go. Now if I forgot I tied him on there. Wow. He could wear this hat. Oh yes. That's so perfect. Now I'm going to detach the saddle. Man, that sounds weird. attach the saddle. That wasn't even a saddle. What is that? Oh, never mind. It's for the wild horses. Rodeo fact. Wild horses, the horses they have in rodeos, ain't actually wild. They tase them. Some tase them and some whip them just to make them go nuts. And with this thing on there, it tightens them to make them jump and buck. Let's undo the back and then take that old saddle off. Prop that up. Nobody needs a saddle around here. Let's see if you could ride bareback, mister. Yeehaw! Well, that's for my unboxing video. Beautiful Storm's gonna go right in here. Gotta unlock that gate. Pull it open. Open the door. Storm's gonna go in with all his new friends. I'll get back to you later on Raven and me. Bye-bye.